TCM's acclaimed skid steer loader has been redesigned to offer more power, a dynamic exterior appearance, and a more comfortable cabin. The loader has continued to evolve via customer feedback and through TCM's exceptionally advanced production know-how. TCM loaders are available for versatile uses. They come in a stunning crimson red, white, and a variety of other color options. This film is designed to instruct users how to perform their work safely with TCM's new skid steer loader. Please use this film in combination with your operation manual for optimal work safety and efficiency. This mark indicates important information for safe operation. This mark signifies strictly prohibited uses. First, let's look at the main features and mechanisms of the skid steer loader. The vehicle is equipped with a 2-pump, 2-motor HST system that provides independent 4-wheel drive. This allows excellent maneuverability, powerful road navigating ability, smooth pivot turns, and stable driving, even on slippery surfaces. Its engine is powerful yet clean and complies with worldwide second-stage emission controls. Additionally, its self-leveling system automatically keeps the bucket level when the booms are raised. This system reduces the risk of the material being spilled from the bucket and allows stable and efficient work. Operators can get on and off the vehicle using the steps in the front. The cabin allows unobstructed views of the front and rear and is mounted with safety features such as safety bars and a locking system for the load handling pedal. Let's take a look at the functions of the main operating mechanisms. Please make sure to familiarize yourself with their safe usage. Safety bars protect the operator from being thrown out of the seat if the vehicle should tip over. Ensure the bars are in place after fastening the seat belt. The steering levers control forward and backward travel, braking, turning, and speed. Move both levers forward for forward travel and backward for backward travel. To turn the vehicle, move each lever in its opposite direction. To stop the vehicle, return both levers simultaneously to neutral position. The load handling pedals control both boom cylinder and bucket cylinder. The left pedal moves the booms up and down. Press the toe of the pedal to lower the booms and press the heel of the pedal to raise them. The right pedal controls the bucket. Press the toe of the pedal to tilt the bucket forward and press the heel of the pedal to tilt it backward. To stop the vehicle, use the steering levers mostly, and when necessary, use the brake pedal. By pressing the brake pedal and setting the stopper, the parking brake is engaged and the parking brake warning lamp comes on. Always set the stopper when leaving the operator's seat. Next, let's look at some typical pre-operational inspections. Please refer to the operation manual for details. Operators must conduct these inspections daily before operation for their own safety. When inspecting and operating the vehicle, make sure to wear proper clothing, protective shoes, and a helmet. Park the vehicle on a level surface and set the stopper to the brake pedal. Lift the safety bars to the upright position and make sure the pedals are locked. Confirm the steering levers and load handling pedals are in the neutral position and the bucket is down on the ground horizontally. Stop the engine and set the wheel blocks. The following are some of the actual inspection procedures. Check the wheel nuts for looseness and wheels for any damage. Check the head guard mounting bolts for looseness. Look under the vehicle and make sure there are no signs of oil or water leakage on the ground. Open the engine hood and check the engine oil for level and contamination, engine coolant for level, and the radiator fin for contamination. Check the hydraulic oil with the level gauge attached to the cap. After ensuring the oil and coolant are fine, close the engine hood. Next, inspect around the operator's seat. Check the brake pedal for proper play. Press the brake pedal with your fingers and make sure the play is about 20 millimeters. Get into the operator's seat from the front. Get on and off the vehicle only from the front of the vehicle with the bucket down on the ground. Use the handholds and steps to avoid falling. Sit in the operator's seat and adjust the seat. Confirm the steering levers and load handling pedals are in the neutral position and the stopper is applied to the brake pedal. Fasten the seat belt and put the safety bars in place. Make sure the safety bars are tight and do not rattle. Adjust the mirror to allow sufficient view of the rear. Finally, insert the key and turn the switch to on. Check the warning lights and fuel and hour meters on the meter panel for proper operation. Start the engine and make sure there are no unfamiliar noises. Check that the headlights, turn signals, and all other lights work properly. Check to see that the horn works properly. Operate the accelerator lever to see if engine speed increases and decreases smoothly. Tilt the bucket backward all the way. This is the basic traveling position. Check the brake for braking effect. Place the accelerator lever in the medium speed range and press the brake pedal to disengage the stopper. At this time, ensure the parking brake warning lamp is turned off. Press the brake pedal. Move both steering levers slightly forward and backward simultaneously. If the vehicle doesn't move, the brake is working properly. Slowly move both steering levers forward at the same time and travel at a slow speed. Make sure the steering levers are working properly and no unfamiliar noise is coming from the vehicle. Basic operation procedures are as follows. Start the engine and operate the vehicle only from a seated position in the operator's seat. Never start the engine or operate the driving devices from outside of the operator's seat. Also, it is very dangerous to get on and off the vehicle when the booms and bucket are raised. Always get on and off the vehicle from the front with the bucket down on the ground. Before turning the key switch to on, make sure there is no one around the vehicle. Confirm the steering levers and load handling pedals are in the neutral position and the parking brake is applied. Fasten the seatbelt and put the safety bars in place. After confirming the accelerator lever is in the idling position, the turtle mark, turn the key switch and start the engine. Regardless of whether loaded or not, tilt the bucket backward all the way. Never travel with the booms raised. This will make the center of gravity too high and may result in tip over. Place the accelerator level to the maximum speed, the rabbit mark. When starting up, ensure the safety of the surroundings and sound the horn to signal your start. Push both steering levers forward simultaneously for forward travel and backward for backward travel. When traveling backward, turn your head and look behind you to ensure safety. The mirror is for supplemental use. Do not travel backward using just the mirror. These are the basic instructions for turning. To turn to the left on the spot, move the left steering lever backward and right steering lever forward simultaneously. Never attempt reckless operations such as sudden starts, stops, or turns. Also, never place your arms or legs outside the cabin while traveling, as it is dangerous. On an incline, travel in a straight line in order to keep the vehicle balanced, and be certain that the heavier side of the vehicle is in front when going uphill. Traveling diagonally, crosswise, or turning too quickly is extremely dangerous and may cause tip over. Never allow anyone to ride in the bucket while traveling or operating, as it is very dangerous. Never allow anyone to stand underneath the loading equipment. The person may get caught in the equipment, resulting in a serious accident. Never load the vehicle in excess of the permitted capacity, which is indicated on the vehicle. Let's take a look at digging and loading operations. Place the bucket horizontal to the ground and drive forward. Then thrust the bucket into the material. When filling the bucket to full capacity, or if there is difficulty in loading the bucket, tilt the bucket back and forth several times. Tilt the bucket backward all the way and move back in the basic traveling position. When dumping material into a truck, make sure there is no one in the surrounding area and approach at a slow speed. To stop the vehicle, return both steering levers to neutral position simultaneously. Slowly raise the booms. Move slowly when approaching the dumping spot with the booms raised. Never attempt an abrupt operation like this. Stop the vehicle completely and slowly tilt the bucket forward. After completely dumping out the material, tilt the bucket backward all the way. Check the surroundings and move backward. stop the vehicle completely and lower the booms to the basic traveling position. After finished working, park the vehicle on a level surface. Parking on an incline may result in tip over. After stopping the vehicle, set the stopper to the brake pedal to engage the parking brake. Position the bucket horizontal to the ground and lower the booms to place the bucket down on the ground. Place the accelerator lever to the idling position, the turtle mark. Lift the safety bars to the upright position to lock the pedals. Turn off the starter switch and remove the key. Never leave the operator's seat with the booms raised or engine running. In the operator's cabin, there are decals concerning operation, maintenance, and safety information. This information is vital for you to read before operating the vehicle. Please read through it carefully to ensure safe operation. Also, please use this film and operation manuals repeatedly to further improve work safety. TCM always considers product safety and operability through the eyes of our customers and is committed to developing and manufacturing skid steer loaders that are both user and environment friendly. Most accidents and trouble are caused by failures in inspection.